feel bad for the little kids, right?
Down.
Y'all got enough? Y'all got fives? Y'all got fives? Hey, y'all don't need one? So y'all don't need nobody?
Man, that shit, he probably got like 1,000 views.
Damn, this nigga know how many viewers I got.
Come here. Something like that or no? I'm gonna give it a nice little bounce up just to make sure it's like. I can't hear anything. It's all ringing. Yo, are you guys good? What the f is wrong with that ball? I felt like I was in Ukraine.